A short story of a man who is always having mood issues. And his name is J. Daniel. J. Daniel is from a town called Umemu. This is a successful young man who became successful at the age of 17 years. Jay is a fun guy and happy to be with. Jay is a person who always needs the company of his friends or family around him. He hardly stays alone because he knows that the only problem he's facing right now is moody. He always gets bad mood at all times unless he has people around him. Jay is a person who loves to read, sing, dance, and even watch movies. But whenever he's lonely, he finds it difficult to communicate with himself. He always needs something to do at all times. Jay is a busy guy, a hustler, and a very productive person. Let's see what Jay does next. Could this be Jay again? Yes, it's him, J. Daniel. Jay has been having a difficult time to get into a serious relationship due to the kind of Gen Z bodies that we have right now, who always think about money and not about love. Well, I feel so sorry for this young man. A great man with great intentions. That is J. Daniel. Let's see what he does next. Thinking about life. It's good to have a partner who will love you, cherish you, and adore you for who you are, not what you are. A lot of girls out there doesn't know the value of Jay. All they want is money. And Jay, as we call him, has had series of failed relationships that made him feel like not going into relationship anymore. Jay is a wonderful guy. Jay is a great guy. A man you always want to spend time with. He doesn't drink nor smoke. He lives a positive life and very successful. Let's watch what he does next. Here comes Jay, trying to water his flowers because Jay loves flowers so much and he doesn't play with his flowers. He has one of the most expensive flowers in his house because he loves good things. Watch out as Jay waters the flowers. It makes him happy. Jay is done watering the flowers. He's a guy who loves information. He loves reading. Reading the newspaper all the time to get updates and know what is happening in the country. Jay is a strong guy, formidable and reliable, who lives in a great mansion, the best house around his neighborhood. Are you ready for part 2?
Drop your comment.
Like and share the video. Thank you.